Hi everyone, welcome to Junk on the Street. Today we're going to do junk at the subway station. And look what I found. It's another Starbucks, just like I found the other day. This one's in a bottle. It looks full. What do you think? It's not expired yet, June 15th this year. Anyway, someone, I don't know, they must have opened it, took a few sips, didn't like it, just left it. I don't know. It might be a little dangerous to drink that. Could be poisoned. So, I think, oh, look at that. That's a trash can. Why don't we put it in there? Bye-bye. Oh, with a broken umbrella. It was very windy and rainy this morning. Alright. That's it for today's junk at the train station.